Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating variables. Disconnect all peripherals and keep the power connected. This prevents boot stalls caused by external hardware. Once done, shut down and power on into safe mode or recovery. Hold Shift for safe mode, Command R for recovery. You do this because safe mode performs disk checks and disables non-essential drivers. Recovery gives you reinstall and disk tools. Make sure to note any error messages on the Apple logo screen to guide the next steps. You now run First Aid and Disk Utility to repair corrupted directories. This often resolves missing boot files. If First Aid reports failure, open Terminal to run File System, checks manually and attempt to mount the drive so you can copy data. Once the disk is repairable, choose Reinstall Mac OS in Recovery. This replaces system files, but keeps your user data intact. If you have a bootable installer, use it. Boot Option key, select Installer, and follow on-screen prompts to reinstall cleanly. You finish by resetting low-level settings, NVRAM/PRAM and the SMC, because these clear corrupt state that can block startup. After resetting, attempt a normal boot. If successful, immediately back up with Time Machine or clone the drive. If the Mac still hangs, perform a clean erase and fresh install only after securing data. Corrupt system remnants can persist otherwise. If none of this works, capture any error text on screen and escalate to Apple support or authorized service for hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.